Feel like your business is storing too much customer data in your database? We know that the more data you store, the higher the risk you place on your business and its security overheads. We know how sensitive customer data is, and that's why we created Vault Query Language, or VQL. VQL is a web-based platform, a dynamic query tool for retrieving a customer's data from their vault. With VQL, you can request specific customer information from their vault, for example, their name, age, or passport number. All they need to do is scan the unique QR code you generate on VQL. Here's how it works. First, log into your VQL dashboard by scanning the QR code on the login page with your ShareRing app. Then, set up your customer information request via a query. This part requires some simple coding, and your team will need to have basic JavaScript knowledge for this part. Next, generate your unique QR code so that customers can scan it. You can either embed the QR code onto a web page or print it out. You're good to go. VQL helps streamline the customer interaction journey for your business. Customer data is easier to manage, and the less sensitive information your business stores, the better it is for both your business and customers. Try VQL for your business today. Visit sharering.network/VQL to learn more.